everyone, and welcome back again to this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can be now solve the Bluetooth issues. Maybe you have Bluetooth in your computer is not working, is not functioning well. So you have Bluetooth, but you're not able to receive files, to receive documents. You're not able to send files, maybe videos, maybe documents to any other computers. So you are not able to send all those files to your phones from your computer. So now I want to see how can be solving all those issues on your computer. So if you did not subscribe to this channel and Max TV, subscribe now, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at now Max TV. So if you have any question or suggestion, so also if you have any issue, leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to be opening now my device manager here. As you can see, I have a Bluetooth here now. This Bluetooth. Now I have Bluetooth this device. When I want to send, I send this device. I can click here on or receive file to receive file from someone. I can also send file by clicking here to send file to someone. I can be even clicking here to add a new device to my Bluetooth. So, but I don't want to be adding device now. What I have to show is to how to solve this issue if it can happen, so that you can be able to receive now the files or to send files to your friends. So what I have to do, I have to come here and search for device manager. So once I search for device manager here in my computer, I see I have this option. So I have to click this device manager because this one is going to be using to find all the information. So what I have to do, I have to find this device manager and click on it. So after clicking on it, it's going to be opening all the information I want about other applications and the drivers in my computer. So what I need to do, I need to click here. You see now I have this. So I have audio inputs, outputs, I have batteries, I have Bluetooth, I have cameras, and I have also other options including mouse, device, including storage controllers, including system devices, including universal serial bus controllers. So what I need to do is to be coming here to Bluetooth because this is the one I'm going to be solving or to be talking about. You see, this is a Bluetooth. Once I click there, so you can see I click on the Bluetooth. So you see I can get various options in my Bluetooth options. So after clicking on it, so I can be coming here below to scan these options below. You see I have these options. I have this second one. So I have also all these are the options which are regarding to Bluetooth. Some are the Bluetooth which I connected to my computer, but I want to be using also this drive. See now I have Realtek 4.2 Realtek 4.2 Bluetooth adapter, and I want to be fast also to scan these applications. So once I click here and go to scan hardware, so I can scan all these applications to see if there is no and which is having the issue in my computer. After scanning them, so I come here and click on this also. You see I have Microsoft Bluetooth enumerator. I have Microsoft Bluetooth enumerator. So I click on this. Now when I click this, so I can be scanning this to see if there is any issue which is there. So once I see there is no issue, I have to click here. So I can be clicking here and come to properties. So once I come to property on my Bluetooth, you can see you have various options. So now what they tell you is this: you can check whether this now function is working properly. So you see now they are telling me that this device is working properly, which means that my Bluetooth is working properly on my computer. So now once you see now it is not working, you can see here there are various. So these locations port has 00, so now that should be so slash, so now you see star 001. So now what you need to do is to come here in and advanced and check. So now we can be checking now these are Bluetooth. That's the name for the Bluetooth. Now what you need to do here is to be coming over to drive, and once you see now the Bluetooth is not working well, so what you will do, which means we first check what message you are having here. If they say that this device is not working properly, so you have to come here on the driver, and after coming here to driver, you can be also checking here driver versions, you check it if the driver version is the updated one. You can see my driver versions are updated. So driver date is for 2nd now December 2022. So 2020, so now we can be checking this digital signer Microsoft Windows hardware compatibility publisher. Now, after checking this, you can be coming here to update drive. So if you see now your driver is not working, what you do is to update driver. You click on it and you search automatically for driver. So because you don't have driver on your computer, you can be searching automatically for driver. You see now they say that Windows has determined that the best driver for this is already installed. There may be better drivers on Windows Update or any device manufacturer's website. So if you see now this Rio Bruto 422 Delta is now satisfied. Also, and now you can see they tell you that your Bluetooth is not having an issue. So what you can do again is to search on updated drivers on your computer. So which means that they are going to be redirecting you to your computer and you see if you can get the updated driver. You see they open the settings to get that drive. So what you have to do when you are connected on the internet, they are going to be updating automatically on your computer so that they can be proceeding with other informations. When I check the updates also here, they can be starting now updating, finding the latest Bluetooth driver to be installing on my computer, but it's not the one I want. You see now I have the rollback drive. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. You can be rolling back to the previous installed driver. It means you have a driver you were finding in this computer before you start updating, and you find that so it is not working after updating new one. You can be rolling back to the previous one so to make sure that now your computer is going to be working. So once you want to be now disabling this Bluetooth device, you can be disabling it by clicking here on disable device. So once you want to uninstall the driver also permanently in your computer, you can be clicking here now and install this device. Once you uninstall this device, it's not going to be visible again in your computer, and we are not going to be also seeing it here. As you see now, I have this kind of driver in my computer. So now there is another option here. You can see details. Now these are details show you now which kind of Bluetooth you are using. You can see the description of the Bluetooth or the versions you are using, and you can be also seeing now the events now, which is going to be showing you now how your Bluetooth is now configured and other also actions. As you can see, you can be scrolling down to see when the Bluetooth was configured, the sessions and other information in your also in your computer. So you can view all events at the same time. And once you are done updating or seeing all the events on your computer, you can also be clicking OK to confirm that you are done. Then you restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, so maybe which means that you will be having also updated your Bluetooth for device. You'll be having also inserted all the information so you want in your Bluetooth device. When you start your computer, also it is going to be coming with the updated version you have reinstalled again in your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on the bell button so as we also notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.